Good morning and good afternoon from where we are. You are, and thank you, Bukola, for introducing me. Um, I'm going to talk about the internet, the AFRINIC Internet Development Program that we have for our community, and which we have many other programs that I'm going to present to this Nigeria community. I'm going to do like small introduction about AFRINIC and a small introduction about the internet in Africa, and explain the why of those programs and list our programs. So AFRINIC is the regional internet registry. So for those who are not familiar with this definition, it's one of the 5 organizations in the world that the core functions are: 1, allocate IPv4, IPv6, and autonomous system numbers to their region. So AFRINIC is the one dealing with Africa region. And another function of this regional internet registry is to coordinate regional resource policy. So we help our community to develop the policies, the rules that AFRINIC is going to use to assign those IPs to its community member. And the last one is to ensure that those IPs are unique by maintaining the WHOIS database. So we are 3 core functions: IP numbers, assignment, ensure that those IP are unique, and coordinate regional resource policy. We have been created in 2005. We have 52 staff, full-time staff. We have over 2,000 resource members. We have exactly 2,150 something members. And we have the HQ in Mauritius. We have 3 data centers. The big one is South Africa. We have in Kenya and Mauritius. We are now working to have one in the west between Cote d'Ivoire and Nigeria, and then the one in the north, and another one in Central Africa. Internet is very important for Africa, and as you can see, internet has a rapid growth in Africa, and AFRINIC has contributed by providing IP numbers that make it possible for African networks and African devices to get connected to the internet. And we still have a lot to do, because we have like over 30% of internet penetration. Okay, I will respond to this question at the end. And I had the question, I will respond to at the end. So I was saying that we have over 2,000 members, and we have been able to connect many networks and devices to the internet because we are providing those IP numbers. And but we still know that we have many other people and networks to get connected to the internet, because for the entire Africa, we have only 2,000 networks. So this means that it's nothing compared to the organization and the people that we have in Africa. We have developed this Africa Internet Development Program because we realized that Africa has still 36 internet penetration rate, and we think that we need to excuse me, so you think that we need to do something to help connect many other community members to the internet. And to make it happen, we need to help them through some programs, from some funding, from some facilitator, from some experts. And this is one of the reasons we have created this internet development program. So we have like 6 key programs. We have the technical community development program. We have the fellowship program. We have research collaboration program, Africa IGF and ICT Initiative Development Program, Critical Infrastructure Development Program, and diversity in ICT program. So I'm going to give a small introduction or definition of each of those programs. So the Technical Community Development Program is where we are providing fund and expert for community in Africa. When you want to organize a technical event and you need some support, you need to get some experts, you need to get some funds, you can, AFRINIC can assist you in doing that. And the idea behind to ensure that we are helping your local community to grow, because we are bringing capacity building, we are bringing experts or to you to be able to organize your event. So this year we have partnered with over 15 technical community in Africa, and we gave them some fund, and also we're present to give some presentations on technical topics. We have the fellowship program. So this is one of our popular program. It's one of the old programs that we are having at AFRINIC. So in 2020, before COVID, we have over 2,000 applications for only 15 seats. So this to say we have Bukula and Caleb that were also AFRINIC fellows, and they have been returning fellows as well. So returning fellow is like kind of mentor. So it's one former fellow that we take to site to help the new fellows to get, to mentor them, to induct them in the African internet ecosystem and the Africa ecosystem at large. And we are sponsored over 230 community members. So it's individual, and when you want to apply, you have to be registered on our mailing list, and also know a bit about what AFRINIC is doing, because before to be able to apply, you have to take a set of questions, and based on the percentage, you will be redirected to the registration portal. So if you don't pass this first step, you have to go back and read and learn about what is AFRINIC and what we do. So the objective is to expose our community member, individual, to what we are doing, how policy, resource policy develop, how community members are discussing internet in Africa. So they are one of those objectives that behind the fellowship program. Research collaboration program is another program that we are also offering to our community members. So we partner with universities and colleges where we have PhD students that have projects that can help our community, that are Africa community. It can be in research, can be statistics, can be we have a topic, a kind of set of topics that that we want. And when you are a PhD student and you're working one of the topic, we can partner with your university and see how to help you to create an application or to create something that can be used for our community at large. We have an ICT program. The diversity ICT program is also very important for us, because what we notice is that we, as a technical organization, we realize that we have very few women in this community. We have very few women in this community. So, and we also realized that we have very few people with disability in this community. So this is why it was important for AFRINIC to think about this ICT and diversity in ICT program, where we are providing funds for women and people living with disability to be able to organize some activities, to be able to get some experts, to be able to be exposed to what we are doing. So we are funding those organizations that are working in this area, and we also provide, as I just said, expertise to come and give them courses and so on. So we also have fund for this, and we have this year we have like over 15 of this initiative that receives fund from AFRINIC. We have the Africa Internet Governance Forum and the ICT Initiative Development Program. So here we have fund for country level and regional level IGF. So when the internet is now used by everybody in the board, so internet governance is a big issue for everybody, and we want to give awareness to our community, African community. So we are working with their local chapter, IGF local chapter. We are giving them funds. We are giving them facilitators when they want to organize their national level IGF, and also the regional and the continental IGF. AFRINIC is also there, and giving them courses and the fund to be able to organize the event. So we have been able to fund over 100 national and regional internet governance forums. So this year we have like close to 20 events related to IGF that we have been able to assist. The last internet development program that AFRINIC has, the critical infrastructure development program. So here we are giving IP numbers and servers for free to community members in Africa who want to set up like an internet exchange point or any related internet critical infrastructure in their country. So as I just said, we are giving servers for free, and we are giving IP numbers for free. So you don't have to pay membership fee to get IPv4, IPv6, and autonomous system numbers. You are getting all those IPs for free. And if need be, you can also receive a server where we can install some services, DNS, ANICA system from AFRINIC and many other partners. So it's very important programs that we also have. And another program that another initiative that is also fall under this critical infrastructure, we are giving 50% discount to universities in the membership fee. We are giving the 50% discount to universities and colleges that want to have their own IP block and own autonomous system number, to have their own identity on the internet. So this is an information that is very important as well to know. We have some statistics here. The presenter will be shared. The presentation will be shared to you, so we'll see the statistics. So these are some statistics for this year. And we also have capacity building development that is doing great job for our community members as well. We have trainings that is available on our platform, learn.afrin.net, self-paced. So you go there, you connect, and you have the courses in IPv6 and in DNS and many other courses that you can take. If you want to get certified, you can also get the international certification IPv6 CERT6 that we have. So after taking your courses online, you can also pay and pass your IPv6 certification. We have IPv6 deployment help desk. So we create this project based on the survey that we organized in 2018, where after training 10,000 engineers, we realized that IPv6 development, the adoption was still low in Africa. So we created a survey where the community members said that they were not comfortable in deploying and configuring IPv6 alone. So the IPv6 deployment help desk, we created to our members and to assist them in the IPv6 adoption. When you want to deploy IPv6 in your network and you find any issue, you can connect to a deployment help desk and explain your problem, and we are going to organize a Zoom call where we are going to take you through this issue. We have live events also. We have what we are calling e-deployathon, and we did that also during the Nigeria PIF this year. And this deployathon is where we AFRINIC staff are coming on site and helping our members to deploy IPv6 in their network live. So when we, if you are our member and you want to deploy IPv6 in your network, and we are coming to your country, you have to register. We'll come there and we'll take you through. Will take you through the issue and try to fix the issue for you. We also have the ED platform that we have created because of COVID. So now instead of we have been in the situation where we're not able to travel, so we created the ED platform where we're taking our members in many rooms in Zoom, many Zoom rooms to help them per organization to configure IPv6 on their system. So this is what I have for you. If you want to learn more about AFRINIC Development Internet Developer Program, you can connect to click on this link. It's afrinic.net participate-idp. I will share the link to the slide, to the organizer that will share to you. So thank you, and I hope that it was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for following